Welcome back. Subscribe and keep learning with us every day. Ready for another video? Let's go. Once, in a green forest, there were many frogs. They were hopping and playing together. One day, two frogs hopped too far and fell into a deep pit. The pit was dark and scary. The other frogs quickly came to the edge of the pit. They looked down and saw how deep it was. They shouted, "You can't get out. It's impossible." The two frogs heard their words, but they did not listen. They were brave. They wanted to jump out of the pit. So they tried their best to jump high, but the crowd of frogs kept shouting, "Stop trying. You will never make it." One frog looked up and felt very sad. He thought about what the other frogs said. He lost hope. He gave up and stopped jumping. Soon he felt very tired. Sadly, he closed his eyes and never woke up, but the other frog was still jumping. He did not listen to the crowd. He kept trying very hard. He jumped higher and higher. The other frogs yelled, "You will fail. Give up. Accept your fate." But this brave frog did not stop. He jumped even harder. Finally, with one big jump, he made it out. He landed on the ground with a big smile. The other frogs could not believe their eyes. They asked, "Didn't you hear us? Why didn't you give up?" The happy frog replied, "I am deaf. I could not hear you. I thought you were cheering for me." The other frogs were surprised. They learned a big lesson that day. Words are very powerful. Kind words can help others. Hurtful words can make others sad. Always choose to be kind and helpful with your words. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.